This week's Clash of the Week in the BMD Premiership, the Central Queensland Capras up against the Wynnum Seagulls at Brown Park in Rockhampton.
9, go 4.
First try of the game came through Wynnum in the 23rd minute with Lily Green crossing. The Seagulls were in again just 4 minutes later. Representative back Julia Robinson with this 4-pointer. What a start for the Seagulls. Destiny Sinapati crossing in the 30th minute.
Happy, mate. Happy? You happy with Grammy? Yeah.
At the break, Wynnum were in front, 14 points to 0. Early in the second half, Karina Brown crossed for Wynnum as they extended their advantage.
I'm happy, mate. It was one day. I'm happy. Go good. Keep going.
Then 3 tries in a row for the Capras got the home side back in the contest. Tyler Phillips crossing in the 43rd minute.
Go, Happy.
Just 6 minutes later, and it was Emanita Paki crossing.
Inside, mate, inside. Down, yep. Short of the 20, though.
We were set for a thrilling finish when Bree Spreadborough scored this try for the Capras in the 56th minute.
Yeah, I've got grounding. Happy, mate. Happy.
The Wynnum steadied the ship in the 60th minute. Destiny Sinapati crossing for her second try of the game.
I've got grounding.
Tyler Phillips scored her second try when she crossed in the 66th minute for the Capras, setting up a grandstand finish. But in the end, it was Wynnum who did enough to hold on for a thrilling 2-point victory. The Seagulls 24, defeating the Capras 22. To watch more of this week's games, head to qplus.tv. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.